I know we usually like to have a silly goose time around here, but I wanted to do a serious one because I think it's important to talk about. Everyone keeps talking about how AI is going to replace all the jobs. Okay. And then what? Seriously, then what? Why is no one talking about what comes after that? Why the hell does the conversation just stop at, yep, it's going to replace all the jobs? Doesn't anyone think it's kind of important to figure out what to do when that happens? Are these dorks just so insulated with their purchased politicians that they didn't think that far ahead because it'll be someone else's problem later? Are these dork tech billionaires with too much money for their own good going to subsidize everyone's living costs? Are they just going to hole up in some state that lets corporations do anything they want, Texas, and tell everyone else to get fucked? Seriously, what is the plan? Getting some sort of UBI-inspired welfare state or communism where all needs are provided by tech nerds? It's not just the jobs either. If people cannot work, they do not produce. They do not generate income to spend on goods and services. If businesses cannot sell their goods and services, they go out of business, even if they have AI to do the production. So why is no one talking about this? Muskie Boy, Altman, Thiel, Zuck. We need an answer before this goes any further, because without a plan for what inevitably comes after the change, this is heading full speed towards absolute chaos. But maybe by then, they'll all be on Mars, or have Texas walled off and just leave the rest of the country to fend for itself in some apocalyptic, dystopian shithole. Who knows? But we better start asking the question,